Okay, boys and girls, I've got another science activity for us to do today. As you can see, I have 4 glasses of water here. We're going to see how well an egg will float in each bottle or each cup after we've added some things to the different glasses. We're going to leave one as just regular water, and I've made all this water warm so that my other things can dissolve in it more easily. I have 3 tablespoons of salt in here, and my daughter Gillian is helping me today. Gillian, grab a spoon and stir in the salt. Okay. Stir the salt in the water until it dissolves. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. I have natural sugar, but regular white sugar or whatever kind of sugar you like will be just fine. I'm going to pour that in and stir that up until the sugar dissolves. This is why I'm using warm water, so that it will dissolve faster. Okay, thank you. And then the last thing that I have is 3 tablespoons of white flour. So I'm going to wait. The flour is going to be messy to open there because the opening of the cup is not very wide, so I'm going to use a funnel to dump that in. Dissolved? Not quite yet. Might take a few minutes to let them dissolve. As you can see, though, the water is now thicker because we've added the flour. It's a little bit thicker in this one with the sugar. Not quite as much with the salt, but still, we've changed the density or how packed together the molecules in the water is by adding this other stuff. Alright, that's probably good. We'll get our spoons out of the way. Now, I have 4 eggs here. Okay, straight out of the refrigerator. We're going to drop them into the glasses very carefully, and we're going to see which one floats the best. Okay, so we'll start with the salt. It's floating pretty well. This may not work. We'll have to see. There's the sugar. Here's the flour. Should have started with the plain water. And here's the plain water. Alright, so as you can see, in the salt and the sugar, you can't tell as much in the flour because the water is so cloudy, but see the brown there on the edge of the glass? That's where the egg is. It's floating at the top. But in the plain water, it sank all the way to the bottom. And the reason is we changed the density of these things. In this glass, the egg is more dense than the water. That means it's packed together more tightly. So it sinks. But in the salt water and the sugar water and the flour, these liquids are more dense than the egg, so they float. It's a weird little thing, the way world works, but it's pretty cool. This is why you're more likely to sink down in fresh water than you do in the ocean. You float in the ocean because the salt and the water help float you up. Alright. This is also a great trick to test how fresh your eggs are. If it doesn't sink to the bottom in the plain water, then your egg is not fresh. But as you can see, it sank, and so my eggs are pretty fresh. Alright, give it a try at home. Test your eggs. See if the eggs you have in your refrigerator are good and fresh. And we will see you tomorrow for another science activity. Bye!